Have you seen in the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So, look here. Still joining here your friends. So I'm admitting them. Okay. It's not new for you anyway. Uh, how to define the rational numbers? Let's know here also. Okay. You look any numbers which can be expressed in the form of p upon q. P upon q. In the form of fractional number p upon q, where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. In the denominator it should not be 0, are called rational numbers. The set of rational numbers is denoted by q, capital Q, not by small q. Don't forget, we have to use to denote the rational numbers, we have to use capital letter q. Okay, not small letter. Okay, and here q equal to, so q equal to, you look here, curly bracket dot 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 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 0 1 1 by 2 2, like this, and dot dot dot. Okay, these are the set of rational numbers. In another word, we can define the rational numbers like this also. The set of integers together with the fractional number is called the set of rational numbers. Like this, in another way also we can define the rational number. Actually, rational number means set of integers together with the fractional number. Fractional number means already 1 by 2, 3 by 2, like this. These are fractional numbers. Not only that much. Fractional number with integers. Fractional numbers with integers, or integers with fractional numbers. Combinedly, they give the rational number. You look like this. Okay. The set of rational number is larger set, and the set of natural number the set of rational number is larger set, and the set of natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers are its subsets. It means set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers, all of them exist in rational number. So rational number is larger set. Why larger set? In this set, natural number, whole number, and integer, they exist. You look. So rational number is larger set. Okay, here new thing you are going to learn is scientific notation. Scientific notation of numbers. What do you mean by scientific notation? It comes later. But why we use scientific notation? You look here. Scientific notation is a system to express very large or very small numbers as a product with the sum power of 10. That is, it is written in the form of a into, it is written in the form of a into 10 to the power n. Hey, which you are talking with your parents or what? Be attentive here. It's important. In the higher study, if you are going to learn, if you want to continue look, technical subjects, that may be science, that may be any other engineering field, in that case you have to use scientific notation, because to write the very large numbers or very small numbers, it takes time. It is time consuming, and there is maximum chance of making mistake if you are writing very large numbers or very small numbers. If 1 0 is missing, if the place of decimal is not in correct place, it makes whole thing wrong. So mathematics is very sensitive. If 10 is missing, whole thing becomes wrong. In the place of plus, if you are writing minus, whole thing becomes wrong. So here in scientific notation also, look, if 10 is missing or the place of decimal is not in an appropriate place, whole thing becomes wrong. Whole system becomes wrong. So to reduce the chance of making mistake, we use scientific notation because it is short form. It is short. So if you are writing short, there is less chance of making mistake. If it is long, if the number is very large, in that case, we have more chance of making mistakes. So in scientific notation, we write in short form. So it reduces the chances of making mistake. You look here, one example. Before that, here, scientific notation means very large or very small number to write in the form of a into 10 to the power n, where 1 is less than or equal to a is less than 10. What does it mean? Value of a varies from equal to 1 to less than 10. Know the meaning. Try to understand the meaning of this. 1 is less than or equal to a is less than 10. What does it mean? What does it mean? 1 is less than or equal to a is less than 10. It means value of
A can be equal to 1 or be greater, less than 10.
Yeah, less than 10. Less than 10 means it goes up to 9.99 like that. But it cannot be 10. Are you getting me? So in place of a, we can write equal to 1 to less than 10 means it goes up to 9.99 like this. And n is an integer. Here you look 10 to the power n. N means integer. Integer means it may be plus sign, it may be minus, but it cannot be fraction. So try to understand, try to know the meaning of this notation a into 10 to the power n. You look here one example. One example, distance between sun and earth is, you look here, 15, after 15 how many zero? You look, 70. How many zero? 70. If you read it, how to read it? If you read it in Nepali system, how to read? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 15 crore kilometer.
Or of
Yeah? Yeah. Not that here. That's in different number. If the number is bigger than this, that comes. But here, not Arab Kharab. Okay. So here, so distance between earth and sun, if you want to write in scientific notation, how to write, everyone look here. So you write 15, after 15 you write 70 and kilometer. So 1.5 into, you look here, this decimal is before here 5. But here you can consider, in the beginning you can consider decimal as in the final digit. After final digit 0. You look, you can consider there is decimal. But decimal is shifting here. You look how many places shifting. Already 70 and here 5 also before 5. So here 8 places left it is shifting. So you multiply by having, you look here 80. You count your number of 0 in 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So if you multiply 1.5 by like this, 10 to the power 8, again you will get 15 crore. Again you will get 15 crore. Once again check 1, 10, 100, 1000.
So we should let 1.5 into.
Yeah. Okay, first listen, get the idea. What I am saying. So here, that decimal, if not given their decimal, always you have to consider there is decimal in the final step after the last digit. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
decimal,
Yes, sir.
you can consider. It means if there is 15, it means there is decimal after 15. You can consider like that. If there is 200, you can consider there is decimal after 200. It means 200 point, you can say. 200
So
or 200 like that. Here also 15 crore. 15 crore and decimal is after that 15 crore. 15 crore 0.0 and 15 crore is same thing. So you are shifting. Wait. First listen here. First get the value of A. Already you look here. E 1.5 is in the place of A. And that you look here. That 1 after 180, that is in the form of 10 to the power n. We can convert that into the form of 10 to the power n. This is step. We are proceeding the steps. This is first step. So A equal to, it must be less than 10. It must be less than 10, or it must be equal to 1 to less than 10. So here there is 15. That 15 you have to convert. त्यही त कुरा भन्दैछु त म यहाँ, आफू मात्रै बोलेर हुन्छ यहाँ. 15 यहाँ ठुलो छ त, 10 भन्दा ठुलो छ र त त्यसलाई सानो बनाउने नि. सानो बनाउनको लागि के गर्नु पर्ने रहेछ? डेसिमललाई 15 को बीचमा ल्याउनु पर्ने रहेछ. 1 र 5 को बीचमा, इन बिट्विन 1 and 5. त्यो 15 को बीचमा डेसिमल ल्याउँदाखेरि के गर्ने? त्यसलाई फेरि मल्टिप्लाई गर्दाखेरि त त्यति नै हुनु पर्यो. यो त फर्म मात्रै एनदर फर्म भयो. त्यो त नाइदर इट मस्ट बी मोर or not less, it should be less than that number, but only the form is different. Form matrai, just we are changing into another form. So again, if you are changing that scientific notation into general form, suruko step aunu paryo. You have to get the original form. If you are not getting original form, if you are not reaching in the general form, your conversion is not correct. Your conversion is not correct. So here also you look here. So 1.5 into 1000000. Again, if you multiply 1.5 and that 1 after 80, you will get again 15 crore. To aunu paryo. To aena bhaneko your conversion is not correct. So 1.5 is 1.5. Now 1000000 means you can write 10 to the power 8. 100 equal to what we can write? In the form of 10, base 10. 100 bhaneko kati huncha? How much? 100 equal to how much? Tell me anyone. 100 bhaneko kati huncha?
10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2.
Yeah, 10 square. Simply we say 10 square. Are you clear? 1000. If 1000 euro, if you want to write in base 10. No, 1000 it cannot be that. 1000
10 square. 10 cube.
10 square.
10 cube.
10 cube.
No, 10 square. 10 cube. 100 पनि 10 square अनि 1000 पनि 10 square हुन्छ. Both. 100 is 10 square. 1000 is 10 cube.
No, sir.
Okay. So find the difference. सबै नम्बरको पावर एउटै हुँदैन. So 100 means 10 square, 1000 means 10 cube, 10,000 means 10 to the power 4, or simply we say 10 power 4, and 1 lakh means 10 to the power 5. Like that. You must have idea that you have to use here. Already you have learned. 100 equal to 10 square, 1000 equal to 10 cube. Already you have learned. Where to use that? Already you have learned. You have to use here. Otherwise, what to learn? Where to learn that? We have to use in appropriate place. So like this, we have to convert this general form, number of general form into scientific notation. So here 15 crore. In our daily life, we don't write 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. It is written in the field of science and technology. In the field of science, in the field of technology, we write. In the field of science, we write. It means. So it is scientific notation. You look, this very large number, 15 crore, we write in this very short form, 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. Which is long? Tell me. 15 crore is long, or 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 is long?
15
is long.
15 crore.
15 crore.
Yeah, if you have idea, okay, if you have idea, certainly you will learn idea how to write. Here you will learn. Then it will be very short. If it is very short, there is less chance of making mistake. So You know, science science means it is, innovation, new thing, and it is based on reality. It is very short. If it is short, there is less chance of making mistake. Already I said. So what are the advantages of scientific notation? Why we use scientific? Why to use scientific notation? If it doesn't have any benefit, if any advantage, why to use this? Certainly it has benefit. It has advantages. What are its advantages? You look here. Saves from time consuming. It means it is short, so in short time we can write. And another thing, minimize from making mistakes to write numbers. It minimizes making mistakes. And you look here, third one, it is short, so easy to write. If it is short, it is easy to write. That's why we use scientific notation. These things you cannot find in your book. So it has, advantages. It has some merits. So we use scientific notation. Now, okay. Suppose if I told you to write. If I told you to write in scientific notation the number, suppose Soni Khatri is here. Soni Khatri. Soni, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Soni. Okay. I want to give one question. Try to give its answer. Are you ready? Are you
Sir,
ready?
you won't be able to hear my sound properly.
Huh?
So you won't be able to hear my sound properly.
Why? I am hearing clearly. Why?
So
I am
if I
hearing.
turn on my video.
Huh? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Not necessary to turn your video. Just you can.
So you were asking me to turn, so.
Yeah. Yeah, you can turn. No problem. Okay. If I told you to write 800 kilometer into scientific notation. In scientific notation, how to write 800 kilometer in scientific notation? Tell me. Give the answer. 800 kilometer in scientific notation. Yeah. Soni Khatri. Soni.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It doesn't take more time. Already I said it is less time consuming system. It doesn't take more time. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Yeah.
8 into
Yeah.
8.1.
Yeah. Well, how? Why saying 8.1? How comes? From where comes that?
8 into so 8 into 1.10 to the power 2.
Just say you are saying correctly, but little bit in saying you are making mistake. Just say 8 into 10 square. 8 into 10 to the power 2, or just say 8 into 10 square kilometer. Are you clear? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 8 into 10 to the power 2 kilometer, or just say 8 into 10 square kilometer. If you change again 8 into 10 square, again you will get 800. But your conversion, again, if you want to change into the general form, if you are not getting original form, you are making somewhere mistake. This is only another form. its value should not be different. Values should be same. Values should not be different. Values should be same. Just it is only another form. So I think you got idea. Look another example also. Other, I am going to share another one, another page. Okay. So look here another page, everyone. Okay. Okay, have you got it? Everyone?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
got?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I am
sir.
giving you one example. I am going to start example. You look here. You look these examples to be clear about scientific notation. Example 1, express in. Express means convert. It means convert. Okay. It's a dakal. Coming late. Or what happened? Express in scientific notation. Here is number 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 number 9, 8, 7, 0, 0, 0, 0. And third number 0.000058. You look how to write these numbers into scientific notation. In scientific notation. Solution. You look number 1. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You look. You have to write in the form a into 10 to the power a into 10 to the power n. You are not listening. Some of you there. Hey, Krishal. Krishal. With whom you are talking? Huh?
आज हो जाए क्या हो जाए थोड़ी और अरे की तुम सबको मखमली रास्ते पे चला जा रहा हूँ मखमली रास्ता मखमली रास्ता यानी
Hey, Bagale. Hangam Bagale. You are disturbing. You are disturbing me. You are disturbing your friends. So I will send out. You are not here to learn. Okay. If anybody disturbs, I will send out. Okay, look here. Number 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this we have to write in the form of a into 10 to the power n. Value of a must be less than 10 and it goes in the small value up to 1. So how to shift the decimal? Decimal you can consider after 9. So here to make this less than 10. Less than 10, where you have to bring the decimal. You have to bring the decimal in between 5 and 6 from the last. You look here, from the last. From the last. It means how many places left we are bringing. You look here, from 9 if you are bringing, you look in between 5 and 6, we are shifting 4 places left. 4 places left. 9, 9, in the place of 9, 1 place. In the place of 8, 2 place. In the place of 7, 3 place. In the place of 6, 4 places. 4 places. Okay. 4 places. 4 places left we are shifting. So you multiply by 40. 40 means 1 after 40. If you multiply 5.6789 into 10,000, again you will get 56789. Again. So now this is equal to 5.6789 into 10,000 means 10 to the power 4. So finished. Now second number you look here. Second number 9870000. So decimal you can consider already I have told you decimal is after 4th zero. Last after 4th zero. So here value of a already you know it must be less than 10. So how to make it less than 10? The decimal, if you write in between 9 and 10, it becomes less than 10. It becomes 9.87. 9.87 is less than 10. But how many places decimal here we are shifting? You look here, 40, 4 place, and 7 there, that makes 5 place, and 8, that makes 6 places. So you multiply by 60. 60 means after 1, 60 you put. Again, if you multiply 9.870000 into, you look here, 10 lakh, then it becomes same. 9870000. Same thing. So here 9.87, that 000 you can remove. No value of that. So just 9.870000, those 40 you can remove. You can ignore. Just you can write 9.87 into that. You look, 10 lakh means 10 to the power 6. Finished. Now last one, small number, very small number, that is 0.00005. But here very small number. It must be, a value of a must be less than 10. So how we can make less than 10? If you shift the decimal, you look, if you shift the decimal in between 5 and 8, if you shift the decimal in between 5 and 8, it becomes less than 10. There, I am missing to write 0 point. Okay, look here, I am missing there. Yeah, so make correct there. There are little bit mistake. 0, it should be, okay, no mistake. 0, 0, 0, 0, yeah. Whole part is I am removing whole part. It makes confusion. So just after decimal only I am writing 40. So 4000 5.8 to make less than 10. So how many places that decimal we are shifting right? We are, in this case, we are shifting right, not left. We are shifting right. You look, we are shifting right. Okay, we are shifting right. So you look here, 5.8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here should be, sorry, here 10, not 10 to the power minus 4. It should be 10 to the power minus 5. Make correct. Make correct. We are shifting decimal 5 places right. So if you are shifting decimal from left to right, its power should be negative. Power should be negative. Remember, if you are shifting decimal from right to left, its power is positive. But here we are shifting 5 places right, so not 0.00005.8 into 10 to the power minus 5, not 4. There little bit mistake. 10 to the power minus 5. Make correct. Everyone, have you met? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there
Yes,
little
sir.
bit mistake. Okay, your teacher has made mistake there, so make correction there. Okay, 10 to the power minus 5. So in the final step you write 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. So now look example number 2. Express the following scientific notation in general form. General form means in how we write in our daily life. That is general form. We don't use scientific notation in our general form, in our daily life. So you look, number 1, 4.7 into 10 to the power minus 5. Not minus 5, 10 to the power 5. This is equal to 4.7 into 10 to the power 5 means how much? 1 lakh. Yeah? How much?
Yes, sir.
1
lakh.
So multiply 1 lakh and 4.7. You will get, you write directly 47 and after 47 you write 50. And finally decimal before 1 digit, because in 4.7 decimal is before 1 digit. So in the final you write decimal before 1 digit. So you look here 47 and after that 0, 0, 0, only 40. That fifth 0 you can remove. No value. 47000.0, no value of that. So that 0 you can remove. Now another one, 2 number, 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 6. This is equal to 3.75. And that 10 to the power minus 6, if you write in the denominator, it becomes positive. power, sign of power changes. If it is minus, it becomes what? Plus.
Divide.
Are you clear? By dividing, there is negative
Yes.
power. That negative power becomes positive. So 3.75, if you divide by 10 to the power 6 means 1, after that 160. If you divide 3.75 by that number, what it becomes? 10 lakh. 10 lakh.
Yes.
And if you divide by 10 lakh, decimal you have to shift. Decimal. If you divide by 10 lakh, decimal before. You look, this decimal shift left. Already they are 3.75. But that decimal shift 6 places left. To make 6 places. How to make 6 places? You have to put the 0 yourself. 3. After 3, but before 3, if you, in the 3 if you bring 1 place, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, all together with 3, it is shifting 6 places left. Like this, if you divide, its value decreases already, you know. Its value decreases. While dividing, value does not increase. Its value decreases. So, if you dividing by like this, 10 lakh, 10 lakh means 60, the decimal shifts 6 places left. 6 places left. This rule, remember the rule, this is the rule. Now example number 3. Here is, you look, 648,000 seconds in a month of 30 days. Write down it in scientific notation. In 1 month, okay, how it, this from books question, same question I am giving you here, I am doing here, that this much seconds is in 1 month or no, you can check. But here our aim is how to convert that very large number into scientific notation. You look, 648,000 seconds to change into scientific notation. You can consider that decimal is after last 0. So that decimal, if you bring in between 6 and 4, it becomes less than 10. We have to bring less than, we have to make less than 10. Or up to 9.99 and places left. So you multiply by 10 lakh. If you multiply again 10 lakh, you will get same original number. Only we are converting into another form. It should not be more, neither more nor less. So you can write this is equal to 6.48 into 10 to the power 6 seconds. Like this we have to convert. So while converting in scientific notation, it becomes 6.48 into 10 to the power 6 seconds. So now after this, all these 3 examples try to be clear. You look, in the book you look examples, how to shift the decimal, that is very important.